Well, bring you guys back for an update. Just checking out something's wrinkle there where the seat was sitting on my wind ball. Anyway, where the seat was sitting here, I don't have the passenger seat mounted yet. After getting the base mounted, the air hooked up on that one, got the air hooked on that one, and you got to have the air on it and air it up so you can get to the mount bolts. And I'll be mounting that one tomorrow. But after getting that seat mounted, which took most of the day yesterday, believe it or not, then I had the dash all apart. I wanted to take my ELD and route the wire from the port around through the dash and bring it around the bottom over here so I can put down below the dash there. And I've had it in my windshield on my Pete, and I was thinking I might have to have it there because of the GPS needing to get in contact with the satellite, so I was really concerned about that. It seems to be doing fine right where it is, and if it doesn't, and if it acts up from there, it wouldn't take a whole lot to reach in that, take that top panel and reach in there and route that cable straight up and put the GPS right there in the middle of underneath the CV if there's a problem. Shouldn't be any problems. Hopefully there's no problems. Between all the little bulbs, not any of the fluorescents or any of the big ones, but all the little bulbs from O'Reilly's, and that's including the ones in the dash, just regular incandescent bulbs. I paid $70 yesterday for 20 bulbs, and then I needed 6 more. I got 8 more bulbs today, and now it's 40 more bucks, or $45 more dollars. So wow, almost nearly every bulb in this thing was out. There was a few left on the dash, not many, but all the ones in the sleeper and in the cab, all of them were not working. So they're all replaced now. I don't have to worry about that. And then I went and made sure that everything in the dash was working. Anything that was loose, I tightened it up and made sure there's no rattles or whatsoever while I was in there. And went ahead and took care of all that and cleaned everything and put it back together. So now I have the carpet done, I have the color change done, I have one seat in, the other one I got to drill the holes for that one tomorrow. I got to put this cover on here, I got it painted, and then I got to put me a strap to go around from the floor. I'll put me some eyes down there on the floor, one down there. I'll move this out, put one down there, one over there. And then my AP unit, I'm kind of saving it for last for the monitor, for the board, the switchboard, the monitor board, or whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to, I just don't know where I want to put it. I took it down from over here. I didn't like it there. It's just wasn't comfortable with it there, and so I don't want it there. I'm leaning towards this section right here. That's what I'm thinking about, putting it right there. or over there, somewhere over there. Those are where I'm thinking about putting it. One of those two places. I'm going to save it for last to make my choice on it, because I got it mounted underneath the bunk right now just to keep it out of the way, because I just want it to be out of the way. So it's right there. The hoses are down there. I still got to paint that cover. That's not a big deal. The sunroof cover. So that's where we're at. So the buckles seem to be working their way out. When I get that seat mounted over there, maybe I'll get those buckles out over there. There is no buckles back there anywhere. Looks pretty good. I still got cut holes for the vents and one for the latch. And I was hoping to be done by tomorrow, but I totally miscalculated how everything on this truck led to more work. I mean, just, it was not a quick job. So, and I want it done right. So I want everything clean. I want everything tight. I don't want no rattling. I want all the lights to work. I don't want any issues when I pull out the driveway. I don't want to be stopping to fix anything. I want to be able to roll until I come home, and then we'll take care of more maintenance at that point if need be. So I'll make sure I get it done. So I'm gonna take these nets out. They're wore out and ugly looking. I'm gonna take those out. And that one, I took the big one out, and those ones on the side there seem to be in pretty good shape. And those two do. And I have bobette black curtains up there. I'm gonna leave those. Those are pretty good. I painted the inside of the little cabinets, you know, just kind of make it dark. That cabinet, I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it or not. And this one here, I'm not really concerned about it because it's dark anyway, and it's got the curtains. There's no sense of painting it. So I don't feel like painting it. So anyway, thought I'd give you guys an update in here. That's where we're at with the Classic. So yeah, I'll let you guys, I'm sorry. I'm pleased that you guys are watching me. I shouldn't make it sound like the other way around. Really, I'm blessed to have you, whoever is watching me, watch me. So I know I'm not the most exciting guy. I'm not like the Goon Squads, all them guys. Just not it. That's not me. So, but we got this in, the LD's in, so we're pretty close. I still got to put the Y pipe in because I ain't made it that far yet. So I'll holler at you guys later. Later.